been in the Instagram bonus program for about a year now. I post these videos about once a month. My best month so far is about $1,300 back when they were paying once monthly. They now pay twice a month. I typically make about $500 to $1,000 a month. My worst month is around $100. If I can keep up this pace, I should end the year between 10 and 12,000 in payouts and probably close to 50,000 in followers. Thanks to everyone that's been following since the beginning. When I first got into the program, I had about 10,000 followers. I recently passed 30,000 followers and add about 100 to 1,000 followers a month now. As always, if you have questions, drop a comment below for a video reply. You can subscribe here to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram. The rest of this video covers some of the frequently asked questions that I've gotten about the Instagram bonus program over the last year. In 2020, I re-released my book, Debt Free or Die Trying. Grew my Instagram following from 2 to about a little over 11,000 followers now. My goal this year is to continue to grow TikTok and YouTube, so you'll see more videos posted over there. I'm also in the Instagram Reels Play bonus program. Here's my payouts for those months. It's a little over $800 over the last 7 months. Nothing to retire on, but I'm getting paid to make movies and reels that I would have made anyway for free. I typically drop about 3 videos a day on Instagram. You can find a link in the bio or in the show description, depending where you're watching this video. If you have any questions about the Reels paid program, drop a comment below for a video response. Thanks for the follow. Instagram paid for Reels. I'm going to be pretty conservative here. I think it's about $100 to $200 per million impressions, and I'll talk a little bit about in this video how I came up with those numbers. My profile is Life After Debt with Marcus Garrett. Currently have about 13,000 followers, and I've been in the Instagram Reels Play bonus as well as the holiday bonus. So over the last 30 days following that, I've gotten over 1 million impressions, and I've done so without running any ads. As I said, about halfway through this month, I've gotten 1 million views, and my approximate bonus is $100 or $120 to be exact. This aligns with the other 11-month bonuses I've been through, so I'm estimating I'll probably get another 1 million views this month, so I'm expecting my payout to be around $200. Want to learn more about how to get paid on Facebook or Instagram? Google Facebook Holiday Bonus or Facebook Reels Bonus, and you'll find this article, which tells you all about how to get paid on Instagram, or drop a comment below for a video reply. Here's a quick rundown of the Reels bonus program at Life After Debt with Marcus Garrett. A few of you asked how I get paid. These are connected directly to my PayPal account, so it comes directly from Facebook or Instagram or Meta or whatever you're calling them this month. This payout will come on March 21st. The Instagram Reels Play bonus program is an invite-only program for creators like myself. I've made over $1,000 through this program, and here are the payouts month by month. During this 30-day period, my account had over 3 million impressions and reached over 1 million people, and I did so without running any ads. I gained just under 900 followers. I try to post at least once a day. My most popular post this month reached about 300,000 people. I also just passed 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which means I qualify for the YouTube Paid Partner Program later this year. If you have any questions about Instagram Reels Play bonus or YouTube Paid Partner, drop a comment below for a video reply, and thank you for the subscribe or the follow. This month I made about $500 from the Reels Play bonus. Here's the $486 payout that they'll be sending next month, and here's this month's breakdown. Here are all my payouts for the last year, including this month's $500 or $486.29 if you want to be exact. Without running any ads, I reached about 2 million accounts and had about 3 million impressions over the last 30 days. I started this account in 2021 with about 2,000 followers. This month I added about 1,400 followers or 1,100 overall, and I'm closing in on 16,000 total followers. The last 30 days, my most popular post reached about 100,000 people. If you have any questions about the Reels Play bonus program, you can find all the information you need in my links and bios. I do Ask Me Anythings and frequently asked questions. Instagram is paying content creators up to $30,000 a month. I have a little under 30,000 followers and typically make about $1,000 a month in this spring bonus program. It's an invite-only program for business profiles and creator profiles. I've been invited for about the last year, and like I said, making about $1,000 a month now. To read more or to learn more about Instagram's monetization requirements, visit the Help Center on Instagram and search for this blog about Instagram's Spring Bonus Program. This will give you the rules for the current program. I'm the host of Life After Debt with the Marcus Garrett. I make videos about news and trends that impact your money. Thanks for the follow.